so for something a little bit different today, I thought we would build something weird, right? I know. So today, so if you're new here, we build stuff all the time. Building is awesome. So we're building the Lego Friends Friendship Tree House Hangout. This is, I don't know, like, is it the third tree house we've had? Lego Friends gets a few tree houses. It's kind of their thing. And this one, we get to decorate it. Decorate your tree house. Oh, okay. All right. So there's some customizing options here. We have got inside, I love a lift out box. Like, I just love it so much. So we've got 6 bags. We've got 701 pieces, $110 the set is here in Australia, but it is on the shelves around the place. So see if you can find it for a little bit cheaper. Oh my gosh, look at this bedspread up here. Like, it's green. It's got trash cans on it. Who has got the bin bedspread? That's hilarious. I can't wait to fill this and find out. Oh, and I also want to know, oh, googly eyes on the top. I also want to know where this is situated in Heart Lake City. Sometimes they tell us, sometimes they don't, but this, oh, okay, so it's out over in the, like, the woodlandy kind of section near Autumn. Right, so let's build. We have got a whole heap of characters in here. So this is Leanne. Leanne is wearing this coral jumpsuit, which I just love so much. It's the cutest thing. I would like one in my size. Love the little striped t-shirt underneath. She's got I didn't notice before, she's got a little arrow badge on there. And we've got Pickle, the little sausage dog. Though I don't think Nova, his owner, is in this, but it seems like Pickle just hangs out with any of the Lego Friends peeps. He's got his wheels now, and he has also, wait for it, he's got an hilarious little hat, because sun safety is important even when you're a sausage dog. It's just proportioned so perfectly for him. We also have Raccoon, who is labelled on the front as Raccoon, and Raccoon's getting the spare hat. It's not in the instructions, but I'm putting it on anyway. They're now the new members of the Hat Bestie, hashtag Hat Bestie gang. All right, so we've got Leo. He's got a brand new shirt print. Oh my gosh, I love how it's pink. He's got a pink shirt, finally, something pink for the boys. And it looks like he's got, is it strawberry shortcake printed on his shirt? I don't know, that would be amazing if it was, but that would be a copyright thing, I think. Oh no, I think it's a hamburger. Oh, okay, it's a deconstructed hamburger. There's something about the shape of it that makes me think it's strawberry shortcake. Am I wrong? Am I just a little bit nuts? I mean, both of those things could be right. And we've also got Autumn. Autumn is wearing an outfit that we've definitely seen this before. I love it. It suits her. She's so cute. And we have, just checking that we're still not getting back printing on Autumn. Obviously because she's got a slightly modified torso mold, but I'm waiting for the day when it happens. And we've also got Zach, and he is wearing, well, those grey socks, they knock me out every time. There's nothing nicer than grey socks. They're like uniform socks. You have to wear them with your school uniform. Anyway, pow, at least his vest is exciting, but he's wearing grey socks. That's the colour white socks go in the wash after a while, so it's probably pretty realistic. Okay, so let's do the first part of our building here. So they're putting together the treehouse, so they're going to need something to do some pretty decent, like they're going to need some decent power tools, which is frightening because, I mean, I'm still in the mindset. These guys are like 12 or 13, right? They were in their first year of high school, so I don't know how comfortable I am with letting them use power tools unsupervised, but they've got each other to supervise each other. Hold on, I don't know. So, all right, so we've got lots of stuff happened here while I was busy getting sad about miners using power tools. We've got gold scissors, which we haven't seen in a Lego Friends set before. We've got a hammer and safety. Safety first, we have got a safety helmet with earmuffs on, hard hat, nice. Leanne is in charge here, and here is a drop saw. So strap yourselves in. Right, okay, so she is busy chopping wood to be able to modify this treehouse, getting it all up and ready for them all to hang out in. There's a box over there for just storing random stuff, and yeah, there's a box in the front too. I've put the raccoon in there for now, but I don't know that that's where it's supposed to be. But raccoons go wherever raccoons want. Okay, onto the treehouse. Lovely stickers, just adding a little, like a few tree knots into the tree knots. Is that the word? Wood knots in the tree. You know, I don't know what I'm saying. Anyway, I'm sure you understand. I don't need to be more articulate because I don't think I'm capable today, honestly. So we're making the base of the treehouse. So these bits are the nice big roots, the trunk of it going out, nice strong base, loving the ergonomic smoothness of it all happening. And On the inside here, we've obviously got this donut down there on the ground, and this is the trash bin. Oh my gosh, it's the raccoon's bed. That is the cutest thing ever. So we've got a tiny little nook and a lava lamp for the bin panda, trash panda. That's the picture Leanne drew of this same raccoon. They're obviously besties. Oh, I love that one too. I think Leanne might have done that one too. Might have her signature down the bottom. This is a whole heap of stuff. So there's that blue bird I keep seeing everywhere. There's posters we've had, toilet paper being hoarded. Oh my gosh, there's the PlayStation controller, which was from the shop. This raccoon is a thief. I mean, that's what they do. Apparently they steal stuff, right? We don't have raccoons here in Australia, so we don't get to experience that joy. Possums we do have, and they don't tend to just steal stuff, so they dance around on your roof and make lots of noise at night, but that's about it. Okay, so we have got a whole room hidden down here in the tree trunk for the panda. What are we calling a panda? It's a raccoon. So trash panda or bin panda. I never know. It's one of those. I interchange them. We're up to bag number 2. And this isn't the first time we've actually seen a whole room. Is it? No, in the Lego Friends for an animal, for a wild animal, because there was one for a squirrel or a chipmunk in, I think, one of the adventure camp tree houses. It's so cute. We saw them in the elves all the time, but those animals had names, whereas this raccoon is called Raccoon. There's also a hole in the top, like an actual knot hole, an open knot hole this time, so that'll let a bit of ventilation in. That's cool. Be nice. Yeah, cool in summer and cool in winter too, not when you actually want it to be cool. We got a lime green slide going from the next level, because you got to have a slide, and over here we've got some struts to help hold up the treehouse. This is going so well. I got so distracted by the raccoon's little abode. It's so cute. Okay, next level up. Okay, yep, goes there, and then this bit goes off to the side. So much structural engineering going in here. I can't even like while I'm doing it. It's so cool to look back and see it all go together. And we've got some railings out here. There's a bug on the railing, which, I mean, they're in the woods. They're out in nature. Of course, there are going to be bugs. This is a nice big, like, part of the tree. It gives the tree some nice ergonomic shape. And this is the rope ladder. Well, that's cool. So it's got a little extension down the bottom so they can get up to the next level. Fun! Okay, bag number 3. This is the bag that Autumn and Zach come in. So now we get another bit of tree illustration. What are they called? Like, are they knot holes? Are they burls? For some reason, burls comes to mind as a word that belongs with, like, the scrunching up of a tree. And this is going to be a claw machine, and that green bird is in the claw machine. We're seeing this bird everywhere now. Hold on, was it the same colour bird in the raccoon's room? I'm going to have to go back and have a look. Oh, I saw it in another set too. I can't remember which one now, but it was familiar. We're seeing it everywhere. I'm going to give it a name. Its name is now Squishy. Squishy the bird. It'd be so fun if the Lego Friends released it as a little, like, a stuffed toy for all the characters. That would be cute. Squishy. I don't know what the bird is, but it's now called Squishy, and that's now proper Lego Friends lore. Okay, we've got some... Oh, okay, so that is Leo's bedspread. And so they're going to be camping out. They've brought their bedspreads from home, which is nice because that's the one from his room. A pretty little mat down on the floor. A dog bowl for Pickle. And so they're each going to need a bedspread. This one's Leanne's. Got her drawing book out, and there's yet another picture of Raccoon, with a capital R. Raccoon is its name now, because that's what it said on the front of the box. Don't come at me. And this one is... I think this is Zach's bedspread, which we haven't seen because he hasn't had a bed in any of the bedroom sets that he's been in. Aw, cute little lamp on the bedside. Those upturned cupcake holders make perfect lampshades, tiny lampshades, just sized so well. This is the first time I've had a dirty piece in Lego. I'm cleaning it with my isopropyl alcohol, so it comes off nice and easily, but that's weird. That's come straight from the factory like that. Odd. Some odd things are happening. Just depends what factory your stuff comes out of, your set comes out of. Okay, so we've got a lady beetle up on that second level, and here is Autumn's bedspread. Pretty, I don't think... Oh no, hold on. Is that what her bedspread looks like in the house? I'm going to have to go back and have a look. It normally does. All right, so we've got everybody in. They do fit just, and I'm going to tempt fate and put this in position with them all in the beds, and no one's going to fall out and everyone's going to be fine. See? This was perfect. Okay, bag number 4. Now this is the bag that Leo comes in with his strawberry shortcake shirt. Imagine strawberry shortcake in Lego. Although it belongs to Hasbro, so that wouldn't happen at all. But anyway, okay, I've gone off left field. So Leo's got a camera, so he's going to be taking some wildlife photos. Looks like a carrot. We've just built an enormous carrot. It's a couch. It's a couch with a green ramp on it so that Pickle can get up on the couch. Love that. And we've got a tray of donuts, which are missing one because Raccoon has nicked off with one. I love that. There's so much story happening in here. Got our purple railing going along with the blue top. And then we've got a hidden spot for some bubble gum. Because you've got to hide your bubblegum because you're not allowed to have it at school. They're not at school. I've got a keyboard. So you can detach the top of that and access a little hiding place underneath. And this is also a cool build. It's a wood planter box with some stickers on it. We've got the camper van and another one of Raccoon. This is Raccoon. This is Leanne's Raccoon, her muse. And yes, all right, so we got some carrots in our planter box and maybe a little lettuce that's gone to flour. We've got a watering can and we've got everybody up here. Let's pop Autumn up here to play the keyboard, sitting on the couch. Everybody gets into spots to find out how this is all going because it's coming together really nicely. We're up to the next bag. All right, so this one is going to be another separate room. So what do we not have yet? We don't have a bathroom. All Lego Friends sets have a bathroom. Actually, not all of them, but it's a Lego Friends thing, right? So we've got a lever here. Okay, so it's a kitchen, got a sink, got a frying pan, hot plate, and the lever is, oh my gosh, it's an oversized soft serve ice cream machine. Because of course it is. I mean, that is a priority when you have a tree house. What's our tree house missing? A soft serve machine, not this one. Okay, we've got a bit more tree shaping going on and we've got a spot to hang up a cup above the kitchen. Nice big, it's all open to the air at the moment. We'll pop Leo in here because he just loves cooking. And then this is going to, I don't know. We're going to just keep working up here. We've got a whole heap of structural functional things happening, including some moving parts. Got a couple of gears interlocking, and then we get this string on. So this is going, we're gonna have a pulley happening. So this goes, give that a bit of a snip. This goes on here, and then that goes up here in that little, fits so beautifully in that little semicircle. Got our knob to turn, so we've got a sticker on there so we know that's what it's for. And then okay, so this is going to be the front of the treehouse. This is the bit that the actual pulley is going to hang over. And look at that. So they're going to be able to bring themselves up and down, or supplies up and down, or Pickle up and down. So accessibility, perfect. And this is the actual box to the elevator. This is a rudimentary elevator, right? So this has got a door, little ramp door so that Pickle can get in, and then we just need to use something to hang it from. Nice! Stick that through, tie a knot in it, and then let's give this a whirl. Let's get some tension on it. And see how Pickle's going. He's spinning! He's spinning so hard. Okay, no, he's going again. I really hope he doesn't get motion sickness because that's a lot of spinning. And we can take him up to the first floor and open his ramp, and out he can come here. That's so cute! And then he can come up to the next floor as well. Aw, I love this. This is adorable. Okay, so up he goes, spinning around a little bit more. Tiny vomit when he gets to the top. He's fine. He's got a stomach of steel. I mean, dogs eat... My dog used to eat dead toads, so, that's gross. Dogs can be quite gross. Cute, fluffy, Best friend, best boy, but gross. Okay, so this is the roof, and we've got a solar panel, which is looking good, being eco-friendly, and we're up to bag number 6. So bag number 6, we're going to be adding some elements that you can move around wherever you want them to go. So first, one of our windows going over here in the bedroom, nice, and another one with a slightly different design, because they don't all need to match, because they're just making this treehouse and all the bits and pieces in it out of whatever is available to them at the time, which is really cute. And this one's got a tiny spot for a bird. We've got some sunflower seeds and a little little bird spot. I love it. And then this is a quite substantial looking, this is a climbing wall. Nice. So using part of the wall as part window, part climbing wall. Very nice. That's how you can get up onto the roof. Or you can also just climb up on the railing and teeter there precariously. Both ways are fun. And this one is another cute little window with some binoculars, so you can look out at the wildlife from your hidey-hole up here. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, okay, all right. So around the front, we've got a whole heap of little exposed studs. Oh, and we're adding some more exposed studs. This is a new element with the claw and a round fronted clip. Does that make any sense? It's a clip with a round front. It looks like a tiny ring. I tried to use it as a bracelet on a mini doll. Didn't work, so I was a bit sad about that. So we are putting whole heap of just wood panels. So we got orange wood, maybe metal ones. These yellow ones kind of look like they have rivets in them rather than nails. And the orange ones definitely look like wood, planks of wood. And then we can put them wherever we want. And we've also got some green ones, which are box parts. So they're cardboard. That one's got fragile written on it. So yeah, I don't think they're gonna last terribly long, but they're just patching stuff up. And a couple of decorative elements which are really sweet. Some mushies over here and a sunflower up there, and then googly eyes on the roof. So now it's a creature. This whole tree is actually a being, a sentient being, because we've put eyeballs on it. That's how it works when you put googly eyes on things. I didn't make the rules up. That's how it actually is. And we're putting some branches on. Love this. It's such a fantastically gnarly looking branch. Oh, cool. All right, so we've got a couple of these in the same, put together the same way. And I'm not sure I've put them together quite right. Another one over here to the side, but I don't think it really matters. This one, I'm trying to figure out, no, I don't want it angled that way. I don't love that. Let's move that a bit. So if there we go. I like that. Upright a bit more. And then, because the sunflowers are a thing this wave in the Lego Friends, we've got sunflowers growing down the base, because sunflowers are hardy. Sunflowers will grow anywhere. They just kind of pop up in cracks in the bitumen beside the road. So yeah, they love life. They will get to the sun. Now we've also got a helmet, which is just kind of sitting here on the ground, so it's fallen off someone's head at some stage. But everyone seems to be okay, right? No one's showing any obvious signs of concussion. Just don't let any of them go to sleep at the moment. No, they all look fine. Zach's fine. He's not asleep. He's just resting his eyes. This is such a lovely set. There's so much happening in it. There's so many stories going on. I mean, Raccoon's going to get his own spin-off series at this rate. It's got a whole backstory happening. And the slide's still a death trap, but that's just to be expected. All right, let me know your thoughts about the treehouse set. I loved it. It's a lot of fun even while you're building. You don't have to wait till the end before the fun can begin. All right, so make sure you do all the things, subscribe, click the little notification bell, because you know what? I think I quite like this building thing. I love building. Who knew? So there's going to be a lot more videos like this, and there are also maybe 1,000 previously. So make sure you check them all out and come back, because there's always more new things to see and to build. I'll see you then. Bye.